Hi, recently I found this Asus PC with Intel Core 2 Duo CPU in a dumpster, and even I do not have a particular interest in machines from this time period, well, it was a shame to leave it there to die, so I pick it up. It doesn't have a hard drive, so I use this Linux Mint CD just to boot it up and see does it work or not, and it does, it works. Also, I posted on YouTube a question, should I keep this machine or not, and cumulative opinion was yes, so I will keep it. But until I decide what to actually do with it, some other topic crossed my mind, and this one is a quite serious one. In the last 10 or 15 years, there's these movements and organizations appearing, like Energy Saving Group, Green Energy, Save the Planet, climate crisis organizations, and so on and so on. And every one of them is pointing to rationalize energy consumption and energy savings. Now, all of these things are fine and I totally support them, but they do have some nasty side effects which I do not like, at least in personal computers domain. So if you wonder what's the point of this story, well, it's quite simple. All this energy saving awareness is simply kill the screensavers on our computers. Back then, when computer didn't do anything, when it was idling, it would simply run a screensaver, and these screensavers were quite an entertainment piece of digital art for many years and many people. So it's like a demo scene on a Commodore and other 8 and 16-bit machines. But now it's time of absolute darkness. Today's computers just wait for you to stop interacting with them, and they simply die. They kill the monitor, they kill everything else, they kill the hard drive, they go to sleep, they hibernate, they kill CPU, well, the CPU is already half dead if you don't use that half. So I came to the conclusion that today's computers are simply built with one purpose, and that is to sleep as much as they can, to do nothing. They are lazy computers. It is us people who interrupt their normal operating state and make them actually compute and do stuff. So I was horrified when I concluded that for many years that I use Linux Mint as my daily operating system, I actually never see any of its screensavers, ever. And this is all because I was tricked to believe that it's normal that your computer goes to sleep, to hibernate. Well, it's not. So what I would like to show you next is a glance of a screensavers on a Linux Mint operating system. And because this is a retro channel, I choose Linux Mint 5 from the year 2008. So here we go, enjoy!